धन्यवाद।
एलओपी के बारे में कुछ आपत्तिजनक बातें कही थी, एलओपी ने भी उठाया था और आपने कहा था कि आप अपना रूलिंग देंगे। तो अब वो रूलिंग क्या है सर?
सुनिए बैठिए। माननीय एलओपी श्रीमान मल्लिकार्जुन खड़गे जी और घनश्याम तिवारी जी दोनों ने मेरे निवेदन को स्वीकार किया। हमने पूरी चर्चा की, एक एक शब्द देखा गया और अंत में ये पाया गया कि श्री घनश्याम तिवारी जी ने जो प्रशंसा मल्लिकार्जुन खड़गे जी की वो श्रेष्ठम थी और इसमें कोई आपत्ति नहीं हो सकती थी। उस समय समझ में नहीं आया। घनश्याम तिवारी हैड एप्रिशिएटेड मल्लिकार्जुन खड़गे और चैम्बर में कहा कि कुछ भी मेरे से गलती हुई है तो मैं सदन में माफी मांगूंगा। आपको नहीं पता भाई? Honorable members, I take a strong exception to what Jairam Ramesh is saying. What I am indicating is, what I am indicating is that at my request, Shri Malikarjun Khadge ji and Ghanshyam Tiwari ji both were good enough to come to my chamber. I had the occasion to go through each word of that. Honorable members can go through that. Ghanshyam Tiwari ji had appreciated leader of the opposition to a very high level, and Malikarjun, sir, let's not. We have regard for you, sir. He has raised it. I hope he has not raised. Again, we'll interact, sir. Question hour. No. Yeah, okay. 1 second. And sir, before that, one thing. Even after that meeting, I myself read every word of it. And then I found, no, I'll give time. Then I found that there was nothing objectionable. I had also pleaded with the leader of the opposition that if he finds something objectionable, he may indicate, please, sir.
No, sir, that I have not seen because you told.
I've seen, sir.
You told that I will go through the records. If anything is there, I will come back.
Yes.
And inform the. I told that even Ghanshyamji, it is better the same thing what you have explained me in chamber, the same thing you say in the house.
I will do that.
So,
I will do
so that everybody knows.
Actually, yes, sir. Actually, Ghanshyamji has raised the status of Malikarjunji Khadge to a level of a god. That's what he has said, Ghanshyamji. And that is what he has spoken. And that is what I've seen. And I am grateful to leader of opposition, Malikarjunji and Ghanshyam Tiwari ji. Both of them, honorable members, one has experience of more than 5 decades. The other has experience of more than 4 decades. But I am trying to put the house in order. Why should a member of this side, without make a reference, without getting permission of the LOP? Again. Chair has not given you permission. No, I thought you were supporting Pramod Tiwari on that rail link. So I thought I thought you are associating yourself. So I thought it's a good thing. If a member associates with someone, I encourage it. Can in any case. Sir. Pramod ji, sir. Pramod ji, all you are saying is that Ghanshyam ji praised Malikarjun Khadge ji to a very height. He should again praise it. No, he should again do it. Sir, this is not done. This is not done. Honorable members, I give quietus to this discussion with compliments to Ghanshyam Tiwari for using parliamentary language, respecting leader of the opposition in the highest of traditions, and expressing to me that he is prepared to apologize if he has transgressed in any manner. I have read it carefully. Not only there was no transgression by Sri Ghanshyam Tiwari ji, he embellished the well-deserved reputation of Sri Mallikarjun Kharge ji, and therefore, if a member of this House with about 4 decades of parliamentary experience praises another member with 5 decades of experience, it's a joyous moment for us, quite us to the issue. I need not come back to the House on this issue. Question number 1. Okay, better. Sir, apology for what?
You say that he has apologized.
He has not. Absolutely not. People don't apologize when they praise. If I praise leader of the House, if I express gratitude to the, if I express gratitude to the senior leadership, Ghanshyam Tiwari ji has praised Mallikarjun Kharge ji. Would any member of this House, including Pramod Tiwari ji, point out a single word from the address of Ghanshyam Tiwari to which exception can be taken? Any word, any word. No, I will not give floor to you. Disturbance.
जिक्र किया था एलओपी का, माइक एलओपी का जिक्र किया था, तो मैं उसे दोहराना नहीं चाहता, पर इतना जरूर कहना चाहता हूं कि जो टोन थी, जिस ढंग से उन्होंने कहा था और जो शब्द कहे थे, वो तकलीफ बोल देना, वो निसंदेह जो डिकोरम होता है एलओपी ऑफिस का, उसके मद्देनजर उचित नहीं थी। टोन वर्ड दोनों को मैं कह रहा हूं नहीं थी।
सुनो, मैं बताता हूं।
दे भी दिया।
नहीं, सुनिए प्रमोद जी, Ghanshyam Tiwari ji was speaking in Sanskrit. Now Sanskrit is a language that requires some kind of orientation. Since you were not present here, you are not. Honorable members, I'll come to one issue. 1 second. No, Mr. Jairam Ramesh, I am not giving floor to you. Nothing will go on record. Nothing will go on record. Again. Mr. Jairam Ramesh, I am about to name you. I am about to name you. Take your seat, Rajiv ji. हाँ, अजय माकन जी, want to say something?
कह रहा हूँ किस बात के लिए सर? ये एक बात लीडर ऑफ अपोजिशन के साथ में हुआ है, उसके बारे में आपके संज्ञान में ला रहे हैं, सब लोगों के सामने हुआ, इसलिए नेम कर देंगे।
नहीं, अजय माकन जी।
सर आप कभी, सर मैं एक हाथ जोड़ के कहता हूँ, सर आप कहते हैं आप हंस क्यों रहे हैं, आप कहते हैं आप मुस्कुरा क्यों रहे हैं, आप बैठे क्यों हुए, सर प्लीज ऐसे मत करिए।
सुनो, अजय माकन जी, नहीं राजीव जी बैठिए, राजीव जी बैठिए। नहीं, सुनिए, नहीं, राजीव प्लीज टेक योर सीट। राजीव जी टेक योर सीट। Rajiv ji, take, nothing is going on record. Now take it. Honorable members, would any honorable member of the House please point out to me, read from the text what Ghanshyam ji said? Would any member of the House say so? How can a member of this House take floor without telling me that he takes exception to this part of Ghanshyam ji's statement? I can understand. My perception may be different. Mallikarjun's perception may be different. A member rises. He doesn't know what he's saying. Once I have not allowed you now, Jairam ji, I will appeal to the senior leadership to, sir.
And sir, you want to know the word he used? Do you want to know the word he used? We have given it to you in writing. इन्होंने इनके परिवार के बात कहा। परिवारवाद का आरोप लगाया।
Nothing is going on record, and
you know it.
Take your seat. Nothing is going. I request the senior members of Congress Party, the honorable member, totally ignorant of what was spoken. Can someone ask him to keep quiet? Can you ask him to keep quiet first? Can leader of the opposition ask your member to be quiet? Sir, nothing. Question number 196. Susri Susmita Sen. No, sir. No, sir, we can't have a running discussion on this. No, sir. Give in writing if there is an issue. No, nothing. Nothing. Absolutely. Question number 196. Sushmita Dev. Please. Sir, nothing.
You are speaking in the chamber. Instead of that, you should explain in house what we have spoken there. It should be told here. Then honorable member.
Because I have not given permission. Nothing is going on record. It will be on if I give permission. I will not. No, Mukherjee. Honorable members. क्यों ज्यादा नहीं करनी चाहिए एक बार कर दी खत्म होनी चाहिए one second take your seat let us proceed with the question hour no please no one second. only Mr. Tiruchi Shiva no one else
Observations.
okay
Please.
yes Mr. Tiruchi what is your observation Mr. Tiruchi
Sir, number one, sir, kindly whenever the leader of opposition gets up, give him the floor, sir, and listen to him, what he wants to do. That's my first request, sir. Second is, sir, as Mr. Tiwari told here, what I inferred because the what transport was in Hindi. Sir, Pramod Tiwari, not that Tiwari, sir. No, sir. I recall, sir, one day Mr. Chidambaram asked you, how 267 notice was preceded by another motion? How can you do that? And you were agitated. Because how can you ask, how can you do that? Sir, I told them, it is not how can you do that? How can you do that, sir? It's only the tone that matters. When you are being, something happen, the same will apply to the LOP also, sir. Please, sir.
Fine. Jaji, fine? One second. No. Honorable members, Jaya Amitabh Bachchan is the last speaker on this point. Please, ma'am.
सर मैं जया अमिताभ बच्चन ये बोलना चाहती हूँ मैं कलाकार हूँ बॉडी लैंग्वेज समझती हूँ एक्सप्रेशन समझती हूँ और सर मुझे माफ़ करिएगा मगर आपका टोन जो है is not acceptable. We are colleagues, sir. You may be sitting on the chair.
Jayaji.
And I remember when I went to school.
Jayaji, take your seat. Jayaji, take your seat. Take your seat. Take your seat. Take your seat. One second, honorable members. Honorable members. Honorable members. No. बैठिए. Honorable members. बैठिए. I know how to deal with it. बैठिए. Jayaji, you have earned a great reputation. You have earned a great reputation. You know, an actor is subject to the director. You have not seen what I see from here. Every day, I don't want to repeat. I don't want schooling. I am a person who has gone out of the way. And you say, my tone? No seat given to you. No, you don't have floor now. No, enough of it. No, enough of it. You can't have it. You may be anybody. You may be a celebrity. You have to understand the decorum. No, nothing doing, nothing. No, not at all. I will not bear it. One second. Please sit down. Please take your seat. No. Never carry an impression that only you build reputations. We come here and build reputations. We live up to reputations. Nothing doing. No. Question number 196. Sushmita Dev.
Sir, she's a member of parliament. How can you call her a celebrity, sir? She's a senior member of parliament.
Parliament has a license. Nothing is going on record. A senior member of the Parliament has a license to run down the reputation of the chair, to question the tone and tenor. Yes, I have to be in reaction mode to take care of the situation. I have highest respect, but to make it a habit, my tone, my language, my temper, I don't go by script of others. I have my own script. I am not operated by anyone else. Nothing will happen, Khadge ji. Thinking has to be from within. Nothing will happen. We have to get... No, Jayaji, take your seat. Jayaji, take your seat. Take your seat. No. It is misconduct. It's a misconduct. Okay. Get going. I know you want to destabilize the entire nation. Yes. You are out to create chaos in the house. Nothing else is going on record. I shall not be party to this house being converted, Mr. Khadge, as a epicenter of disturbance. You are determined to have your way at the cost of Constitution. You are doing it. It is lack of decorum, disrespect to democracy, disrespect to Constitution. You are walking away from your obligations. You are walking away from your duty. Honorable members, they don't want to participate. They know how to create only chaos. I am surprised. Absolutely. The nation is a priority. The nation is always first. Honorable members, honorable members, honorable members, honorable members, take your seat, take your seat, take your seat, take your seat. Honorable members, एक सेकंड. Honorable members, what a sad day. 9th August 1942. Call of Mahatma Gandhi. Quit India. And this house paid tribute to the martyrs because we got freedom. They are quitting parliament. They are quitting their duty. They are quitting their oath to constitution. They are showing back not to the chair or to the house, to the constitution and their sense of duty. And how can we suffer? Leading lights of the ruling party, ultimate controllers of the opposition. Look at the difference. We are in the making of Bharat to be a Viksit Bharat. The world is recognizing us. Accolades are pouring in from all quarters. World Bank, IMF. And the rise is incremental. People are witnessing the rise. Infrastructural growth. We are on way to a development journey which people want to impede. I use this platform with all sense of responsibility. India is a peaceful country. India is a stable country. India has most functional, vibrant democracy. India has leadership continually in its third term. A history in making after 6 decades. India has leadership in Prime Minister that has global recognition. The nation is proud of it. And some people taking note of happenings in the neighboring country are engaging in inflammatory, condemnable narrative. And the ideology to which they subscribe is in silence. It has become a habit, leader of the House, with some of them, that a segment will speak out against the nation. A segment will set at float a narrative which tarnishes our institutions, demeans our democratic culture, weakens our progress, and they will expel the gentleman and take back. It is, I make an appeal to all right-thinking people in the country. It is time for them not to observe silence. Such narratives have to be ambushed at the threshold. Can you see reason today? Last time they walked out with one slogan, LOP, LOP, LOP. Today, what they walked out? One of the most experienced members of this House, 4 decades of experience, Ghanshyam Tiwari ji. His only transgression was he praised Mallikarjun Kharge ji. The praise was in Sanskrit. Mallikarjun Kharge was invited to my chamber along with Ghanshyam Tiwari ji. Threadbare matter was discussed. It was understood. There was quietus. But as a design, as a strategy, as a well-planned orchestration to find an alibi to walk out from the House, they stage it. I won't leave of the House that if such misdemeanor takes place, even at the instance or of the leader of the opposition, I will try to avoid to an extreme degree taking a recourse which otherwise is unavoidable. I have been avoiding it virtually every day. I don't want to make it routine. And today, the top brass was here. What I saw was failure of commitment to nationalism, failure of belief in our country, disregard of our constitution. And that is why I say 2 good things have happened in last decade. One, we started having Constitution Day because that constitution was ravaged in 1975 emergency. Nowhere in the history of the world you will find emergency was claimed because a judge in Allahabad High Court, J.M.L. Sinha, held the election of Srimati Indira Nehru Gandhi, then Prime Minister, as void. Emergency was claimed. That was the time when every misdeed of the emergency, every wrongdoing of the emergency, where lakhs of the people were put behind the bars. They were ill-treated, tortured. 9 high courts in the country upheld the right of the citizen to have recourse to law. Supreme Court then, in ADM Jabalpur, reversed the 9 high courts and held during emergency, there will be no fundamental rights, no right to access to justice system, and emergency can last as long as the government wants. What a travesty. Emergency clamped because a conscientious judge declared the election void. Emergency wrongfully sanctified by another court. The present court has regretted the decision. The present court has reversed the decision using very strong language. And that is why Svidhan Hatya Divas has a significance. It is very timely. 2025 will be 50th anniversary of that. I want every young man in the country to know the dangers of these activities. These are not ordinary disruptions, let me tell you. These are not ordinary disturbances. They are a mechanism to throttle debate, a mechanism to insult democratic values. And I therefore appeal through you to everyone in the country. Let the message go that what they have done is trivializing democracy, institutions for just petty gain at the cost of the nation. That will not be countenanced. Question number 196. Leader of the House. No, Leader of the House.
सभापति जी, आपसे क्षमा चाहता हूं कि मुझे प्रश्नोत्तर था, इसलिए मैं लोकसभा
Sir, I must appreciate the gesture because I got a written communication of preoccupation of the Leader of the House in the House of the People. I got that communication, sir.
तो इस कारण से मैं यहाँ उपस्थित नहीं था, लेकिन जो मैंने आने के बाद देखा यहाँ और जो आपने कहा है, मैं ये कहता हूँ कि जो आपने कहा वो उसके साथ नहीं सिर्फ सत्ताधारी दल बल्कि पूरा देश आपकी बात के साथ खड़ा है। और जिस तरीके का व्यवहार उस तरफ से हुआ है वो बहुत ही अशोभनीय है और वो बहुत ही गैर जिम्मेदाराना है। मुझे बड़े स्पष्ट दिख रहा है कि वह राजनीति में धरातल पर स्तर से इतने नीचे आ गए हैं कि वह पार्टी का विरोध करते करते, व्यक्ति का विरोध करते करते अब देश का विरोध करने लगे और देश में वह विघटनकारी शक्तियां जो देश को खंडित करना चाहती हैं, विभाजित करना चाहती हैं, तकलीफ में डालना चाहती हैं, उनके साथ प्रत्यक्ष और परोक्ष में हमें जब विपक्ष की आवाज़ दिखती है तो मुझे यह संशय होता है कि वह राष्ट्रीय पार्टियां, वह प्रादेशिक पार्टियां, क्या उनका एजेंडा देश को कमज़ोर करने का बन गया है। और आज जिस तरीके का जो आपने कहा टॉप ब्रास, वह इस बात को इंगित करता है कि सारी लीडरशिप इस बात से सहमत है कि वह किसी भी कारण से हाउस न चले इसके लिए वो प्रेरित होती है। जो आज का व्यवहार है, मुझे लगता है कि उनको इसके लिए माफ़ी मांगनी चाहिए और सदन की मर्यादा, सदन की गरिमा, जिसके बारे में वो बार बार दोहराई देते रहे हैं यहाँ बैठ करके, उसको उनको आचरण में लाना चाहिए। वक्त आ गया है आचरण में लाने का। और मैं इतना ही कहूँगा कि इस घटना की जहाँ मैं निंदा करता हूँ वहीं उनको माफ़ी मांगने की बात भी कहता हूँ।
माननीय शिवराज सिंह जी चौहान।
माननीय सभापति महोदय, यह सदन केवल ईंट और गारों का भवन नहीं है, लोकतंत्र का पवित्र मंदिर है। माननीय सभापति महोदय, मैं 6 बार लोकसभा का और 6 बार विधानसभा का सदस्य रहा हूं। 12 बार मैं या तो विधानसभा में या लोकसभा में आया हूं, लेकिन अपने जीवन में मैंने प्रतिपक्ष का ऐसा अशोभनीय व्यवहार कभी नहीं देखा। आज मन व्यथित वेदना से भरा हुआ है। ये केवल आसंदी का अपमान नहीं है, ये देश के लोकतांत्रिक मूल्यों का अपमान है, ये लोकतंत्र का अपमान है, ये संविधान का अपमान है। और गैर जिम्मेदार प्रतिपक्ष आज ये सिद्ध हो गया है कि देश को अराजकता में झोंकने का प्रयास कर रहा है।